Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to calculate percent variance without any formula in Microsoft Excel. Here is a Computer World Private Limited sales report where date, country and amount are given. You can see here data of sales. Now I want to display the percent variance without any formula. For this purpose I have to create pivot table. Just select all your data first and move to the insert, and here is a option pivot table. Just click here. I want a new worksheet, just click OK. It will display the pivot table option. Now drag the date into the rows. It will display the data month wise. Now it will display the month. Now drag amount to the sum value. It will display the total sales month wise. In Jan sales are 3500, in Feb sales are 4500, and so on. And I want to display variance of these sales in different column. Just drag amount again into the sum value. It will display the same data. But now right click the mouse and go to the show value as, and here is the option percent difference from. Just click here. Now the base field is months, and base item, I want to create a base item previous, because I will display the percentage difference in previous month. Just click OK. Now you can see here in Jan sales are 3500, in Feb 4500. The percent increase 28.57%. In Feb 4500 and March 8000. The percent increase 77.78%. In April 10,000. The percent increase 25%. In May 9500 and sales drop -5%, and so on. If you want to change the base value, base item, just right click here and go to the show value as and click percent difference from. Now I will create the base January. This is a base item and click OK. Now this is a base item. In Feb the sales are 4500. The increase is 28.57%. In March 8000. The base is 3500, and now sales are 8000. The increase is 28.57%, and so on. That's where you can calculate percent difference without any formula. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.